Hello friend, as you have seen the thumbnail, today I am going to talk about unlocking, and today I will talk only about Realme handset. Are you really worried about your phone locking? So in today's video I am going to show you how to unlock Realme Android phone or any version, any model of Realme with a very simple tricks. So get ready as I am going to tell, just follow it and unlock your phone in few minutes, and you can unlock pin pattern finger face lock. This video will prove to be very effective for you. So before going to start the unlocking process, I want to share one thing with you. With If your phone is not unlocked by this process, please tell us in the comment section which handset is yours and which models is it, because the code which I am going to share for unlocking process may support in many handset or may not support in many handsets. So let's us focus on our process and unlock your phone without help of any computer, without loss of any data or application. So before going to start this video, first make sure your handset must be in flight mode and your battery percentage above 40 to 50%. Now I am going to tell you some simple and very simple. I will try to help you how to unlock any Realme Android phone. As you can able to see, this phone is locked through the pin, and below the screen emergency calls option is given. You have to click on it, and now I am going to share you some secret code which is used in service center also, and this code is valid up to September 2023 for Realme Android version. Don't forget this thing. This is only for Realme Android viewers, Realme handset viewers. For any model, and I already told you, this code may be or may not support be many handset. So please, if your phone is not unlocked after completing this video, after completing this process, then please comment section in my channel. Now I am going to share you this code. A star has 5656538, a star 854. After that you have to press hash. Now you can able to see a star has 6538, a star 854 has. I am going to zoom because this code is not too longer. You have to note down. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. After that you have to click on it, call on it, sorry, call on it minimum 3 times. There are so many comments. You are using fingers on your back side. So as you can able to see, there is no finger option is here. So now you have to erase this code and apply this code a star hash 899 and hash. Now you can able to see your engineer mode page is activated now here. So this is very helpful for us because without engineer mode page we can't do anything for unlocking process. So now you can see there are so many options coming. First you have to check your Realme Android version. So our Android version is 12, so I am going to press here 12 times. If your Android version is 8, 9, 10, 6, anything, please same number you have to press on your Android version. Now come back from this option. After that you have to press manual test, and second, after sliding this, after swiping this, you can see device debugging page is here. So here also there are so many options is coming. So first you have to click on sensor self test calibration and click on both the option gyroscope accelerometer. Both option is not operated. So now you can see one is text fast. After that you have to come back from this option, and second row, after that you have to click on proximity sensor test, and there are three options is coming. So proximity calibration, confirm here. After that you have to come back from this option, and last others option is here. So now here 4 5 option is coming. So first, what I have done in earlier video, in earlier starting page, we have to click on same number as per your Android version. So my Android version was 12, so I am clicking here 12 times. After that you have to click through rewrite important log test and confirm here, and check through the key status. Now all the key status is passed. So now after completing the whole process, now it's time to check our phone is lock or lock of our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button. And as you can see, my dear friend, our phone is unlocked without any loss of data or application. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel, like and share. Bye.